You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name of Hebrew origin. Yes, I know there are different pronunciations, but clearly the most common one in English is as Shana. This is a name of Hebrew origin, meaning beautiful, or God is gracious as well. And in Hebrew, Shana, Shana. Therefore, in English, it's also most commonly pronounced as Shana. Some may pronounce it also as Shana, with the schwa sound on the second A, which is fair enough. Some may pronounce it also as Shana, but it's a little bit less common. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know in the comments. Shana, Shana, or Shana. Let everybody know in the comments. See you soon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.